If you get 5 right out of 5, you are a May expert. Question number 1. Which American entrepreneur co-founder of Facebook was born in May 1984? Mark Zuckerberg. Question number 2. Which famous American YouTuber born in May 1998 is known for large-scale stunts and philanthropy? Mr. Beast. Question number 3.
Which USA president active during the Cuban Missile Crisis was born in May 1917?
John F. Kennedy. Question number 4. Which British queen born in May 1819 ruled for over 63 years during the 19th century? Queen Victoria. Question number 5.
Which Nobel Prize-winning physicist born in May 1918 was known for his work in quantum electrodynamics and charismatic teaching style? Richard Feynman. Don't forget to follow if you want to improve your knowledge.